I just enjoy the thrill of chasing those hard to get items. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm so excited that you're here and this is your first time, so hopefully you'll enjoy this video. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today I have another unboxing of a hard to get bag. So if you want to find out what I got, keep watching. Before I show you the bag, I just want to give you a little story. As you know, I always have a story behind the items that I get. And this is a bag that when I first saw it, it wasn't really, on my radar. I thought, oh, do I really want to get that? Is it going to be practical? Is it going to serve any type of purpose in my collection? But then I started seeing it more and more. I watched a ton of YouTube videos and what fits in my bag, because that's very important to me, and I decided that I wanted it. So of course, when I decided that I wanted it, the bag was really hard to get, and it's still hard to get. I think that it's getting harder and harder, especially as I mentioned in my previous video. A lot of the canvas items are not going to be discontinued, but the production is going to be significantly lower. So it's going to be harder to get those monogram canvas or damier ebene or azure items. So this was definitely something that I wanted to get. I got this a while back. I don't even remember now when I got it. So I've been just procrastinating and waiting to make this video. I don't know why, but I want to show you. And this bag is just so cute, and I chased so many CAs, just like I always do whenever I want a hard to get item. I'm not saying that it's impossible, but if you put the time and the effort, you definitely can get it. You just have to be patient sometimes. So in this case, I did the same thing I usually do when I want something. I start calling customer service at different times of the day. Sometimes, they might find it. Sometimes they might tell me there's none available. Sometimes they might tell me in which stores they're available. And this one, actually, it happened to be available at one of the stores that I usually go, but in this case I went to my main stores. As you know, and I don't know if I mentioned, my main store is Palm Desert, but I always like to go also to South Coast Plaza. Those are my main two stores. I go back and forth because I live kind of in the middle of those two. So I went to pick up something at my, Palm Desert store. My CA was on vacation. Actually, yeah, I went to drop off something for her. She was not there, and I picked up a couple things. And the CA that was there, he's like, is there anything that you want? Anything that you want to see? And I asked for this bag because I thought, oh, well, maybe they have it. And I said, do you have this bag? And he's like, no, we don't. It's really hard to get. And I said, would it be possible for you to check if anybody has it available? So he did a search and he told me that they had one available at South Coast Plaza, but he didn't have any CA information for it, that particular location. So he gave me the actual store number, which I called and nobody picked up the phone. So I resourced to some of my fabulous, amazing friends from Instagram and the Facebook groups and started asking. And then again, Foxy LV came to the rescue and she gave me the phone number for SCA, and she was able to order this item for me. And I was so excited. So I'm going to start talking about it. I'm going to show you, and here it is. So this is a small dust bag, so you probably can guess what it is, maybe not. So the bag that I got is the Nano Speedy. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Like I said, when I saw this bag for the first time, when it just released, I thought, oh my gosh, this is just so ridiculous. It's so small. You probably can't fit anything. It looks like a little girl's bag. But now that I have it, I mean, it's just so cute. It's just so adorable. I mean, this is the perfect grab and go bag, or just to run errands for like an evening out, or even when you're on vacation. Obviously it has the two top handles, which as you can see, and then it has the shoulder strap. One of the things that I think for many people is a con for this bag is that the shoulder strap is not adjustable and is not removable. I've seen a couple videos already of people removing the strap. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do that. I kind of want to, but I don't. You know what I mean? I'm kind of like I would say, almost like an LV purist. And what that means is like I like to keep my pieces original. I don't like to do anything that will, affect the integrity of the bag. So for me, it was just something that, I keep in the back of my mind, but I don't think that I will ever do it. I wish they would come up with a bag with the removable straps, but being that they're producing less and less canvas pieces, I doubt it. But with Louis Vuitton, you never know. So this bag is just so cute. Let me give you the measurements. Let me just unlock my phone. Hopefully it will recognize me. So it is 6.3 inches the length, and it's 4.3 inches the height, and it is 3.5 inches in width. The strap drop is 21.7 inches. And I'm 5'2", and I feel that it sits perfectly right for me. It's not too low, it's not too high, so I really feel that it fits really good. One of the things that I was a little bit disappointed when I got it is that the grommets, and I will do a close-up, all the grommets are not straight. So they're all almost sideways, or, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. So the options were to return it and go ahead and do the hand again, which I didn't want to do that because I was afraid that I might not find it. I know that some people has been able to get it, but it's still really hard. I've seen this going on the pre-love market for about $600 to $700 above retail, which right now the retail value is $1,300. I think when I bought it, it was just a little bit below that. I can't remember exactly, but I feel that if you want it, you can still get it. You just have to hunt it down. Just like I said, my method, it has always worked when I want a hard to get item. You just have to put the time and the energy into it. It's not going to be overnight, but at the same time, you never know. Just always keep contact with people in your Facebook groups, Instagram, anybody that can help you, CAs, just, let them know that this is an item that you're looking for. Also, if you put it in your favorites on the Louis Vuitton website, when you refresh, just go in there several times throughout the day and just refresh that. And if it becomes available, just put it in your cart and always have your payment information ready, or just check out with PayPal, because just the fact that you put something on your cart, it doesn't mean automatically that it's yours. It doesn't, Louis Vuitton doesn't hold items in the cart, if it makes sense. So just make sure to do that. I want to give you a little bit of a side-by-side comparison with some of my other small leather goods or items, so you can sort of have an idea, how big this bag is. So I'm going to start with my toiletry 15. So this is side by side. This is just the length, and it's pretty much about the same, as you can see. And this is the width, and I'm sure that just by looking at it, you can tell that you can fit more. in the Nano Speedy. So the next one is my mini pochette. So this is the mini pochette, and here's the Nano Speedy. It's much smaller, and as far as width is about the same, just maybe a little bit smaller. And you can actually fit the mini pochette. I mean, right now mine is empty, but I feel like if you go from the side, you can actually fit the mini pochette and inside. So obviously it will take much of the space. It almost serves as a divider. I don't think that I will ever do that because I don't want to damage the mini pochette with the zipper. You know, it will just kind of start scratching. So to me, that's not something that I will necessarily do, but that's something, you know, to keep in mind. And I forgot to mention that it's just a fabric lining and it doesn't have any interior pockets. And the next item that I want to compare with is with my current bag, and this is the Pouchette accessories. So as you can see, this is considered a small leather good, but to me it's actually a mini bag, and this is the width, and the Pouchette accessory is about the same height. I don't know if you can see right there. So there you have a mini comparison. So now what I want to do is I want to transfer the items that I have in here and put it in here to see what fits in it. So I'm going to open my Pouchette accessories and you can see my items in there. So I'm going to start with my card case. So I have my YSL card case. I'm just going to put it in there. Probably can see there. Then I have my round coin purse, and here I keep my clip and some perfume samples. Then I have my mask. What else I have? I have my keyless where I keep just, you know, some dental floss and random migraine medicine. What else I have? I have my car keys. I'm just going to throw them in there. So I'm going to put my phone. This is just an iPhone 11, so fits right in there. And I still have room for a couple more items. I didn't have this in my bag because I wasn't planning on going out to dinner, but I'm probably going to be going out to dinner tonight, so I'm going to put my Epipen, which is very important for me that my Epipen fits in my bags because that is a must. So I'm just going to put it through the side right there. I'm not sure if you can see. And then I need a couple more essentials that I have in my toiletry 15. So I have my compact mirror. So I'm just going to throw it in there. I have my pill case, and I also going to throw it in there. A hair tie, because you never know. It gets too hot in Southern California. You might need to put your hair up. My favorite lip liner. This is Charlotte Tilbury. This is Pillow Talk. Yeah, Pillow Talk. This is my Gucci lipsticks. I love this lipstick. And then I've been so much into lip gloss. So this is the Pat McGrath lip gloss. So this is pretty much everything in there. And I feel that I can still put a couple more things if I wanted to. Probably I wouldn't because I don't need it. This is probably way more than I usually carry. Like I always say, I'm very minimalistic when it comes to what I carry in my bags. The most used items, to be honest, are my phone and my card case and my keys probably. And if I need, obviously, my Epipen. But, you know, for the most part, I have everything I need. I'm going to close it so you can see this with everything in it, and it's just perfect. I absolutely love it. It's just the perfect little bag. It carries more than enough, especially, you know, your essentials. I don't think, obviously, you know, you can hand carry this or shoulder carry or crossbody. It doesn't, I mean, it kind of fits, you know, it doesn't go, you know, further than that. So I don't think that I will do that unless I absolutely need my hands, you know, but if I need my hands, I will definitely just wear it crossbody. So this is the Nano Speedy in the monogram, and I absolutely love it. I'm so excited that I have this bag in my collection, and I'm actually thinking of getting the Nano Noe. I really love it. I'm so into mini bags. I'm just not sure about the closure, because obviously that is a bag that you pretty much have to leave open. I'm not such a warrior when it comes to that. I don't mind, but at the same time I feel that, you know, that's just you know, like open bags like a tote, I don't mind, because stuff probably is more at the bottom. But with the Nano, I think that everything is going to be more, you know, at reach. But again, you never know, so that might be something coming soon. I don't know, we'll see. But in the meantime, I'm going to be enjoying and loving this bag because it's absolutely beautiful. If you can get your hands on this bag, go ahead and get it, because, you know, it's just so beautiful, especially because so many items are not being produced right now, and or some items are being discontinued. So I'm afraid that, you know, if you're wanting to get this bag and it might get discontinued, then it's going to be so much harder to get. So that is all that I have to share about this bag. As I mentioned before, I love it. I'm so excited that I have it in my collection. I just can't wait to start wearing it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Just click on that little button below. And also don't forget to sign up for notifications so you know when I upload a video. And as always, I hope that this video was informative and help you, and I would love to hear all of your comments and feedback. So don't forget just to go down and just leave your comments in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.